Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing a special custom Squishmallow from Garten of Banban. We'll be drawing Banban himself as a Squishmallow. To start off, we need a little bit of the curves of the sides. So let's go 1 and 2, and this will be our base for our custom Squishmallows. Since Banban does have a little bit of a unique head, let's add the little bit of the top. Let's give him 2 big party hats. And then cap the bottom and connect the ears. That's looking good. And since it's a Squishmallow, we just need to cap the bottom and round it out. And let's give it some of these lines for the party hat on both sides. That's looking good. Let's give the Squishmallow a big, cute tongue and an even cuter mouth. Let's add in a little more details. Let's add in a little belly. And let's give it the little Squishmallow eyes. So we got 1, 2. Make sure there's a highlight. And color in black. And we want to keep the eyes simple because it is a Squishmallow. And adds to the cuteness. And maybe a little line in the middle for the tongue. It is missing the whites of the eyes, so let's see if we could add that in really simple white. That looks more like Banban himself. And maybe we could give him a little cute little arms on either side. That's looking great. And once your custom Squishmallow drawing is done, now we can color it. Since Banban is mainly red, let's start off with a red color. I'm going to add some of these highlight circles. And then let's just avoid those to keep the highlights. Use the pink for the tongue. And let's use the pink for some of the hat. A little bit of blue. Finally, yellow. Use a darker red for the inside of the mouth. And a light layer of shadow. And for the stomach, let's see if we can find a pretty light rose color. Let's see what we have. I have just a color. We just want a lighter tone for the belly. Let's add the highlights. Looking super cute. And there you have it, a custom Banban Squishmallow from Garten of Banban. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe. And if you have suggestions for any other videos, please leave it in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one.